In this video, we're going to cover how to use the Notify app in Zendesk. To create a notification, first open the Notify app, then go to the Notifications template section, click on Add Template. You should have a pop-up window appearing now with a few different options. Let's create a simple notification for when a new ticket is created. And I'm going to send this one to all of my agents. Here I'm going to select that my pop-up requires the agent to dismiss it. So if that's toggled off, the message will disappear after a few seconds from the top right of the screen. And we can also give a new notification here. So a little icon, we'll give that a little ticket icon. So now I'm just going to come back to that trigger section, because this is where we will define when the notification will be sent. So we've got a few options here. We've actually got the option to select from any of our existing triggers in Zendesk. In this example, I'm going to create a new trigger and go ahead and click on Save. See, a trigger's been created. Now over on this trigger, I'm going to scroll down and just have a look at some of these conditions. So the app has created some temporary conditions in order to create the trigger, but we're going to update these in just a moment. As I continue to scroll down, there's an action here that's been added by the app. Now it's important you don't edit this action at all. This is populated by the app. And when you edit the notification inside the app, it'll update this as well. So you don't need to edit this. Now scrolling back to the conditions, like I said, I just wanted to make a simple notification when the ticket's created. So I've already got my condition there that I want. So I'm actually just going to remove the other one. So I'm going to hit Save. Over in the Notify app, we can have a look and we can see that my notification has been created here. And I've got my little trigger assigned to it, so I can confirm that's been attached. So I've just created a new ticket and I should expect to receive a notification shortly. And there we go. I've just received a little audible alert and a pop-up notification. Since this one requires me to dismiss it, I have to hit the little X in order to get rid of it. You'll notice in the top right corner, there's also a little bell icon. If we click on this, we can see a history of all our missed notifications. You can also click on any of these notifications and we'll be taken to the ticket. Every agent also has the option to adjust their settings from this window. This includes enabling or disabling the sound, adjusting the volume, changing the sound notification type, and also enabling or disabling browser notifications. That covers everything for our Notify app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at any time.